Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing, but let me be clear, this is from the previous video from say 3 years ago, because unfortunately I was told that the bezel was a aftermarket. What a surprise. But anyway, this is also going to be a comeback video because apparently I had to get this one in service. And obviously, you know, it's a 16710 GMT Master 2, circa 2004. There's the pouch. And the receipt's on the back, so no worries. So much was the service. And I had to send it to Mayor's because apparently the second hand wasn't moving properly. And apparently I was told by somebody working there that the bezel wasn't the right one. So I had to send it to services 3 months ago, and it took 3 months since September, and I had to leave it there. Here it is. Too bad I can't get the Pepsi back. I got my Rolex back, but they gave me a black bezel. Man, what do you call this, folks? Espresso. And from the angles, there's your GMT hand, the hour hand with the Mercedes, and the minute hands. Then your seconds is going. That's right, going. So yeah, and if you heard me talk about the details of it, you saw that previous video. I'll leave you the link in the description box. But all in all, it looks kind of very vintagey, going back to say to the early days from the late 70s. But that's a 1675 model, very patina and everything. This one, they brought it back and machined it well, beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Gave it a do-over, and changed the movements and everything. Well, not change the movements, like update the movements or service the movements. Or if I said update the movement, they serviced it. Every angle, detail of it. There's a serial number. Oh, is it upside down or downside up? There it is. There's a serial number. Let me just get rid of that section. Use my trusty pointer to do its job correctly. Right there. Right there, folks. It's very difficult to concentrate on things in the back. There we go. There it is. Okay, it's a bit clearer. There. Even though it's a little smudgy, but I'll just tell you the number. Let's see. 78790A. That's what it is. There you go, folks. Now you can read it. Pause it and read it. So yeah, this is what we got. And yes, the holes. Thank God they went. Thank God it was restored very well. If it wasn't, then what did I do? And I did say I was gonna get another bracelet like this, but it would have this. It would not have this. It would just instantly take it off. I have it somewhere. I just haven't put it in yet. Super polished. And let's hear a tickery sound, folks. This is what you're here for. Now silence, all of you. beautiful, isn't it, folks? Thank you, Rolex. Thank you. So yeah, let me just put on the speaker. Oh, If you're in different time zones, you can change where you're at. So yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Just look at that, folks. Amazing. Let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. Like now. Now let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. Amazing, right, folks? Amazing, amazing. I work out, I like to eat sometimes. And it looks kind of similar to the predecessor from the past meets the present. But all in all, folks, and if anybody recalls 2007, we have the ceramic GMT Master 2 was born. It was a shame it was how you call it, these got discontinued afterwards. From a production year from 1989 to 2007, after 18 years, this went bye-bye. And it was a shame you couldn't see these anymore. It's gone forever. So yeah, this is how you're gonna see most of them. It depends on the condition they're in, you know, that sort of thing. And with that, I'll leave you the link in the description for my previous video, and in the description box down below, you can follow Houdinki Talking Reference Points with Eric Wind, talking about the GMT Master line, and as well as fellow YouTuber and watch collector, The Watch Symposium, Austin Daniels, for the record. He has some GMTs in his collection, so check out his videos as well. So yeah, and these are the T serials, or is it the K serials? No, these are the T serials. The K serials had holes on them, which would be right here. That you could use either a tool or a toothpick and yank it out. Like I can do it like this with my toothpick to fit on my wrist, but too bad it's not here on the case, because those were known as holes case at the time. And you can change the bracelet anytime, whether you want a Jubilee or you want an Oyster Perpetual or put it on a nylon, your choice. Those were fun. Too bad you can't get those anymore. Or it depends if you can get those other past editions. Depends on the conditions that they're in. Well, who knows? Alrighty, folks. With that, it's gonna be music time, folks. Okay. Whoa. And here's the crown. Wonderful, wonderful. Alrighty, folks. What time is it, y'all? It's music time. Like now. Alrighty, folks, but before we play the music, I just want to give a heads up. This one in particular that you're looking at, of the GMT Master 2, is not a T serial or a K serial, letter K serial. This is an F serial, by the way. And if I mentioned it before, This is the no holes case. Early ones had, I mean, onto the 90s until 2003, there were holes cases, and you can change whatever band bracelet which you like, a Jubilee or a different Oyster Perpetual, your choice, or you could put a nylon strap or a rubber strap, whatever. So yeah, but it's a shame by 03 that went bye-bye. And this is the one I got, and it was circa 2004. So yeah, and it's one of those years from 2003, 2004, and 2005. I personally think it's a 2004. So yeah, because it's the F serial for the record. There are all sorts of serials, so look that up. So now let's play a song from 2004. Let's Go by Trick Daddy featuring Little John and Twista. Enjoy! That was Trick Daddy featuring Little John and Twista from their hit album Thug Matrimony Married to the Streets. with their hit song, Let's Go, released in 2004. So, folks, if anybody recalls 2004, heck, let me know in the comments about what was going on. What did you do? What was this your first time? Whatever was going on in 2004. So if you like content like this or the content on this channel, please click the button, the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content and or the year that this sort of content was released at the time? Comments down below. And also, please click the bell to be notified of anything, especially the uploads, but including on the YouTube post. Keep an eye on that both daily and weekly. And before signing off, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and other collectors out there. And especially let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout out to you all, kitties and dogs. And yeah, shout out to you all. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Monday, y'all. And later.